One exam, over 1,000,000 aspirants, a selection rate of less than 1%. The joint entrance examination, the JEE, is not a test. It is a crucible, a battle that forges the best engineering minds in one of the most competitive academic environments on Earth. To conquer a challenge this immense, you cannot be a mere student. You must be a warrior. The journey of a JEE aspirant is the journey of Ichigo Kurosaki, a seemingly ordinary student who discovers they must master 3 distinct, powerful, and often conflicting sources of power to protect their future. Today, we deconstruct that path. This is the Bankai protocol for conquering the JEE. Power 1. Physics, the Shinigami's blade, mastering the rules. The power of a Shinigami is rooted in order, discipline, and a mastery of the fundamental rules of combat. Physics is your Shinigami power. It is the study of the unbreakable laws of the universe. The amateur tries to memorize 100 different formulas. The master understands that all of them are derived from a few core principles. Your mission: for every chapter, you must identify the 2 to 3 foundational laws: conservation of energy, Newton's laws, Maxwell's equations. This is your Zanpakuto. The technique: when you face a problem, you do not hunt for a formula. You deconstruct the problem to its core principle. You ask, which fundamental law governs the situation? By thinking from first principles, you can solve any problem, even ones you've never seen before, because you understand the source code, not just the surface. Power 2. Chemistry, the hollow's mask, mastering patterns and chaos. The power of a hollow is about transformation, instinct, and sometimes beautiful chaos. Chemistry, particularly organic and inorganic, is your hollow power. It is a vast world of reactions, exceptions, and patterns. Memorizing individual reactions is a path to failure. You must master the underlying patterns of transformation. The reaction map. For organic chemistry, your greatest weapon is a massive, single-page mind map. You will draw out how functional groups transform into one another. You are not memorizing reactions. You are learning the pathways of a chemical city. The exception journal. For inorganic chemistry, you will dedicate a specific notebook to the endless exceptions to the rules. By isolating and focusing on them, you turn the most confusing part of the subject into a source of strength. You are taming the chaos. Power 3. Mathematics, the Quincy's arrow, mastering precision and speed. The power of a Quincy is about precision, speed, and the flawless application of energy. Mathematics is your Quincy power. In the JEE, a correct answer that is too slow is the same as a wrong answer. Your training must be focused on building lethal speed and accuracy. Master your kata. Like we've discussed before, you must identify the core problem types for each chapter and master their solutions until they are second nature. Timed drills. This is non-negotiable. You must dedicate at least 30% of your math study time to timed sprints. Set a timer and attempt 10 to 15 problems. The goal is to simulate the intense pressure of the exam, training your mind to be both fast and accurate. You are forging your mind into a weapon that fires perfect arrows under pressure. Synthesizing the powers. Unleash your Bankai. Ichigo's Bankai is the ultimate release of his full potential. Your mock exams are where you will achieve your Bankai. This is where you synthesize your mastery of all 3 subjects. A rigorous mock exam schedule is the key to victory. You must take full syllabus, timed exams regularly. And after every single mock, you must spend even more time on the post-battle analysis, documenting every failure in your mistake notebook. This is how you find the final weaknesses in your technique and achieve a state of true mastery. Master the rules of physics like a Shinigami. Tame the chaos of chemistry like a hollow. Forge the precision of mathematics like a Quincy. The path to conquering the JEE is a true training arc. It demands that you evolve. You must stop being a simple student and become a warrior who wields 3 distinct and powerful forms of knowledge. The training is long. The battle will be hard. But your potential is limitless.